clean up throttle body, baffle, inner clean up, and we'll take spark plug replace to prepare for smoke check. This is almost 90,000 miles, so change the new spark plug. So remove the intake manihold. Okay, so this intake manifold, intake side is five screw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 millimeters head. Remove this 5 piece, and the back side has a 10 millimeter head for here. This right here, this, and back side has a right here on the side of intake manifold here. On the side has a 10 millimeter. This nut here, bolt, 10 millimeter head bolt. Okay, this iridium is number original. It's Denso FXE 20HR11. Original, the iridiums. Okay. So this is original, and the socket size ahead. This removable deep socket using 14 millimeter use, and the deep thread style iridium spark plug. Okay, so remove old one, so install the new one. So this is about 90,000 miles, so time to change the new spark plug. Okay, coming the brand new iridium spark plug, Denso performance spark plug, quality iridiums TT. Okay, now install. Okay, install. Okay, install the new spark plug. It's done. Okay, thank you.